In challenging situations, clear communication is vital. But traditional SATCOM systems can be vulnerable to interference from atmospheric conditions, physical obstruction, or deliberate jamming. That's why Airbus has developed Proteus Unity.
The Proteus Unity modem uses multiple techniques to mitigate jamming and provide maximum resilience and efficiencies. The modem employs a unique, advanced hybrid waveform that incorporates spreading and frequency hopping, makes use of adaptive coding, spreading and modulation techniques, and uses demand-assigned multiple access management, or DAMA. Spreading allows the extension of the signal over a wider bandwidth. This masks the way the modem responds to a jammer, so the observer will not see any reaction. It means any active jammer would be unable to detect any change in our signal and is therefore less likely to realize their efforts are being countered. However, spreading on its own is not sufficient to offer true high resilience. For that, you need to be frequency agile. You need to be able to dynamically hop across the available bandwidth. Frequency hopping works by moving the carrier to a random frequency periodically. This happens many times a second. Our fast rate of hopping, together with the randomization of the sequence by our onboard Proteus security module, makes it impossible to estimate the next hopping frequency, making Proteus Unity a secure and resilient anti-jam modem. Our technology automatically notifies the network operator that jamming has been detected. The same technology means signals are also resilient to unintentional jams caused by periodic physical blockages, for example by helicopter rotor blades, or by random events such as weather conditions. Its applications are therefore wide-ranging, from military, governmental, or commercial. Proteus Unity's secure and resilient modem system builds on Airbus's technical expertise and close working relationship with those customers operating in challenging environments. It's another example of how Airbus is developing pioneering technology to help create a safer and more connected world.